Happy Women's Day to our Koddamanal Women's Wing. I take this opportunity to thank Ajay for giving me this platform to speak on Women's Day. I'm so privileged and so honored to be sharing this evening with all my family members. I would like to extend my congratulations to each one of you and all the 50 women that have been included in the impact report. The purpose behind celebrating this day is to promote peace with women's rights, while every day is a Women's Day. And this particular day is marked to honor all the women and their achievements, regardless of the divisions, whether national, ethnic, linguistic, cultural, economic, or political. Time and again, women have proved their worth by excelling in every field and bringing pride. They are not just powerful leaders in the economic and political domain but rule in sports, entertainment, and other categories as well. Do you know why international? Do you know why International Women's Day is celebrated or how it is started? International Women's Day stems from a workers' movement. It first emerged at the turn of the 20th century in North America and across Europe. In 1908, 15,000 women marched in North America, demanding New York City demanding fewer hours in the job. Apart from this, they demanded. Apart from this, they demanded uh, a better salary and also the right to work. A year later, the Socialist Party of America declared this day as the first National Women's Day. Throughout the years, many changes, new objectives are brought to further engrave the meaning of this day. In 2015, countries adopted the Agenda for Sustainable Development with its 17 goals. Today, I would like to highlight the fifth goal, which is achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. Gender equality, which is ending all discrimination against women and girls, is crucial for sustainable future. It has proved that empowering women and girls help economic growth, promote social development, and enhance performance. International Women's Day is all about unity, celebration, reflection, advocacy, and action. The Bible has a lot to say about women and their priceless worth. Throughout the scripture, God makes it clear that women are important to Him. As we celebrate the International Women's Day, let's take a look at Bible verses about women to better understand the special role that God has for all women and incredible value He places on daughters. God made women in His image for a special reason. And the word of the Lord reminds us of this fact each and every day through specific verses and stories passed down of powerful women such as Mary, Rachel, Rebecca, Ruth, and more. These leaders, mothers, faith-filled forces were spiritual guides during their lifetime and are still inspiration for us women today. Psalm 46:5 says, God is in the midst of her, she shall not be moved. God will help her when morning dawns. God is with women always, and even in the most difficult of times, He is there to support them and bring them strength for a new day. We are all so grateful that God has given us this wonderful life and the people in it. And women are the first to give thanks. Thank you, everybody.